wonderful Thanksgiving for all my American followers. We had a little impromptu Thanksgiving dinner up here in Canada. It was really sweet and intimate now with our little family that's grown to be 4 people when originally we were 2, so it's really nice. And to me, that's what the holidays are about, right? It's all about family. We didn't have a chance to travel down to my family down in the States, but hopefully we'll be doing that for the Christmas celebration. And, you know, I want to know, what are you thankful for? I mean, for me, I'm really thankful for that day that I found Timothy Sykes online and started my journey in day trading, because this has really changed not only my life, but my whole family's life, and that we have the quality of life where we're able to be home and present with our kids, and we see the difference in their lives, and we see how happy they are because we're able to give them that quality time. Sometimes they're little rascals, but you know, for the most part, we really see the joy in their faces, and it's so wonderful. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you can see my little story of the display that we do every night for the kids in the neighborhood, and our 3-year-old daughter just loves it, of Santa's workshop and Santa with the Christmas tree. So definitely, you know, what are you thankful for? Because that's something else every day. If you keep a positive mindset, even through the downward struggles of learning how to day trade, you know you can do it, really. And one day at a time, just study, and this knowledge will compound, and you will get better, and you will be able to say, F my job, right? You'll be able to leave. That's something else. My book is on sale at Amazon this weekend for a little Black Friday, Cyber Monday sale going on over the weekend. At least 25% off paperback and 30% off for the Kindle version. So definitely check it out if you haven't already. And this week has been hot. Everybody's talking about cryptocurrencies, and now it's starting to roll over into the stocks that are related to cryptocurrencies. So some of the big players that we've seen just go crazy this week are Mara, Grow, Riot, SRAX, MGTI, BTSC, BTCS, and GBTC. So these are definitely ones that I would say just keep on your general watch. I actually bought a couple in my 401k. That I bought BTSC at 8 cents, and now it's up to 24 cents. So that's one I'm just planning on parking. Cryptocurrency can do what it's going to do, but the ones for this week, actually going forward, the cryptocurrencies on my long side that have just shot up like crazy and have a large short float volume to them, and with the cryptocurrency explosion, could continue into the week. However, there could be a sell-off. So we'll see. Friday, they just ran like crazy. And if you have already subscribed to my morning watch list, you know that you got them before the market opened. And there was a lot of profit to be made going into the week, going into the trading day. So my long list, as always, guys, I'm not a financial professional, so definitely do your due diligence. I don't have a license to recommend. These are just my opinions. But my long list going into the week, I have Mara, which is a 13.19 million float stock, and 50.07% was short float traded on Friday with 44.36 million trading hands. So I would say keep that watch on, you know, roughly 22 million for Monday and see what happens, because this one could really explode. In fact, it did shoot up in the after hours. I would look for support of 6.65 and resistance of 770. Next one is Grow with a float of 12.04 million. And on Friday, the short float volume was 55%, which was 6.26 million overall traded on Friday. The support for Grow, I would say, is 4.80 and resistance of 530. If you do look at the chart, it has had major movements in the past, and it had a large upward spike. So definitely keep that one on watch. We have LCI, which is not related to the cryptocurrency world, but that one does have 28.17 million in the float and 61.64% short float volume on Friday. It was a smaller amount traded hands of 734,000 in volume. However, being somewhat smaller float, to me, lower float is less than 20 million, so it's right there on the cusp, that it could run if volume steps in on Monday. So just keep it on watch with a support of 26.89 and resistance of 27.62. Riot, another one of those crypto ones going crazy, has 2.73 million in the float. That was on the watch list for Friday morning. It was 52.59% short volume on Friday, and 19 million did trade hands on Friday. So keep a watch on that one for support of 22.03 and resistance of 24. SRAX has 4.5 million in the float. 49% was short volume on Friday with 8.6 million trading hands. So definitely keep those on watch as the whole cryptocurrency, crypto-related stocks start to move. These could just really take off. However, there probably will be some sell-off that will happen on Monday. So I would look more for pop for these and then a drop and potential continuation going on into the week. As for the shorts for the week, watch YRD, Urenda. It was taken down with QD on Friday. I would look for a support of 38 and a resistance of 38.65. It did receive new ISO certification, so it might very well break that support, break the resistance and go with upward momentum, but it does look overall like it's in a downward trend. So I would look more for downward trend, except for that press release of the new ISO certification. That could sort of switch things up and squeeze a couple shorts. We have BCEI with a support of 28.35 and a resistance of 29.35. SIG, this was an earnings report on last week. I believe it was on Wednesday. And SIG and TIF, Tiffany, they're two jewelers. Tiffany's will report this week and SIG last week. They do tend to trade hand in hand. So watch that. It does have potential to drop down further with the break of support of 49.25. And it has a further support of 46. So look for that if it does break the support of 49.25. However, if it does bounce a little bit on Monday, look for resistance break of 50.43. Another short, Tsro, TSRO, pharmaceutical. It does look like it's a support level. If it does break 82.97 and then 81, it does look like it has a gap down to 66. So that's a big move that could happen to the downside. It does have resistance of 83.64. So definitely keep that on watch for, it could be a longer term swing down to 66. Like I said, if that 81 level is broken. CRTO with a support of 31.72. This is another 52-week low member. And it could continue on down to 27.50 if that 31.79 support level is broken, and resistance of 32.50. As always, guys, carpe profit, seize your profits one at a time. I love hearing from you. I love hearing how I can help you in your trading journey. So please reach out via Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, or just regular email. And if you haven't already, please sign up for the watch list. These are some great stocks every morning that come right to your inbox, and you'll see the top 10 that I think are moving for that day. Have a great week.